Have you ever felt like you just couldn't get your point across, no matter how hard you tried? It's a common struggle for many English learners when it comes to understanding and using idioms. But fear not. Today, we're going to dive into the meaning and usage of the idiom miss the mark. Imagine this: your coworker invites you to a company archery event. You show up, bow in hand, ready to impress your colleagues. But when you take your shot, it lands nowhere near the target. Your coworker looks at you and says, "Wow, you really missed the mark on that one." Wait, what? You missed the mark? Does that mean you missed the actual target? Not quite. The idiom miss the mark doesn't refer to a physical target, but rather failing to achieve your intended goal or objective. Let's try this again. Imagine you're preparing for an important presentation at work. You've spent hours researching and crafting the perfect slides. But when you deliver the presentation, it just doesn't seem to resonate with your audience. Your boss leans over and says, "I'm afraid you missed the mark on that one." Okay, now you've got it. The idiom miss the mark means to fail to achieve your intended goal or objective. Let's look at some examples of how you can use this idiom in different contexts. In a casual conversation, "I really missed the mark on that joke, it didn't land at all." In a formal setting, the marketing campaign missed the mark, and we need to go back to the drawing board. In a negative context, the new product design completely missed the mark, and sales have been disappointing. In a humorous context, "My attempt to bake a cake for my friend's birthday party really missed the mark. It ended up looking like a lopsided mess." To help you remember the meaning of miss the mark, think of an archer who is aiming for a target but misses it completely. This visual image can serve as a helpful mnemonic device to recall the idiom's meaning. Now, let's dive into some fun facts about the idiom miss the mark. The idiom originates from archery, where missing the target symbolizes failing to achieve one's goal. Interestingly, in ancient Greek, the word hamartia means to miss the mark, and is used in literature and theology to describe a character's tragic flaw. The idiom reflects the cultural value placed on accuracy, precision, and the importance of achieving one's objectives. There are also some related idioms and phrases to be aware of. Similar idioms: fall short, come up short, off the mark. Opposite idioms: hit the mark, on target, bullseye. Related idioms: miss the boat, miss the point, miss the opportunity. Let's try this. The new marketing campaign completely missed the mark, and sales have been disappointing. Now, let's rephrase that without using the idiom. The new marketing campaign was unsuccessful, and sales have been disappointing. I recently had a conversation with a colleague where the use of the idiom miss the mark was particularly effective. We were discussing a proposal for a new product feature, and my colleague said, "I'm afraid the current design really misses the mark in terms of addressing our target audience's needs." This helped us quickly identify the issue and pivot our strategy. Now, let's address some common mistakes and how to avoid them. Grammatical mistake: I missed the marks, incorrect, versus I missed the mark, correct. Misunderstanding: thinking the idiom refers to a physical target, rather than a figurative goal or objective. Inappropriate context: using the idiom in a situation where it doesn't quite fit. Such as, "I missed the mark on my workout today," better to say "I fell short" or "I didn't meet my goal." Alright, let's test your understanding with a few quiz questions. 1. What is the meaning of the idiom miss the mark? A. To fail to achieve one's intended goal or objective. B. To physically miss a target. C. To be late or tardy. Answer A. 2. Which of the following is a synonym for miss the mark? A. Hit the mark. B. Come up short. C. On target. Answer B. 3. Which of the following is an antonym for miss the mark? A. Fall short. B. Off the mark. C. Bullseye. Answer C. In summary, the idiom miss the mark is a valuable tool in the English language, allowing you to express the idea of failing to achieve your intended goal or objective. Understanding and using this idiom correctly can significantly improve your communication skills and help you avoid common misunderstandings. Now it's your turn. Try using the idiom miss the mark in a sentence and share it with us in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more idiom lessons to help you master the English language.